In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a widget in Zoho CRM. Let's get started right from the Zoho CRM home screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account with the right permissions to access developer settings. If you're not seeing some of the options I mentioned, it could be a permissions issue, so you may need to check with your CRM administrator. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the setup area where all your configuration and customization options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup page. On the setup page, you'll see a lot of different sections, but for widgets, you'll want to head to the Developer Hub. This is where Zoho collects all developer-focused tools. Find and click on Developer Hub and then select Widgets. This section is dedicated to creating, managing, and editing the custom widgets that extend your CRM functionality. If this is your first time creating a widget, you'll see an option that says Create Your First Widget. If you've already created widgets before, the button may simply say New Widget. In either case, click that button to start the widget creation process. A form will appear asking for some basic details. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name for your widget. This is how you and other users will identify it later, so choose something that reflects what the widget actually does, rather than something generic. Next, you'll choose the widget type. Depending on what you're building, you might select a button, a web tab, or a related list, among other options. A button widget might trigger a specific action. A web tab could display an external application or dashboard. A related list might show extra linked data. Think carefully about how you want users to interact with your widget inside Zoho CRM, and choose the type that best matches that behavior. After selecting the type, you'll choose the hosting option for your widget. You have two main choices, internal or external. If you select internal hosting, you're telling Zoho that your widget's code and assets will be uploaded directly into Zoho's environment. Choose the internal option, select Zoho as the host, then click Upload and browse for your compressed zip file that contains your complete widget project. If you select external hosting, your widget will load from an application hosted outside of Zoho. In that case, choose the external option and enter the base URL of your hosted app. Make sure this URL is secure and accessible so Zoho can load it reliably. Once you've filled out the name, type, and hosting information, take a moment to double-check everything. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your new widget will now be created and available within Zoho CRM, ready for you to configure further or start using in your workflows.